In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A03, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this Samsung. First of all, you need to open the voice recorder app. Now choose while using in the pop-up and allow in the other one. Finally, click on those three dots at the top right corner and select Settings. Now you can adjust all of those options however you wish to before starting your recording, like quality. When you finished, go back and tap on this red button. Then select Allow again. As you can see, recording is now on. You can pause it or unpause it using the same middle button. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on this blue one. And in order to end it and save it, on the square one. Now name your recording however you wish to and click on Save. As you can see, mine was successfully created. If you wish to play it, click on it. If you wish to delete it though, you need to hold it. Select Delete at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!